Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who's, in fact, hailed Prime Minister's assessment of the entire situation and how he has really responded. He says it's natural to have good ties with the United States of America. And listen in to what exactly Ashwini Vaishnav, the Union Minister, has said.
जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पिछले 11 वर्षों में देश की फॉरेन पॉलिसी को एक नया स्वरूप दिया, जिसमें नेशनल इंटरेस्ट, हमारे नागरिकों का हित, हमारे किसानों का हित, हमारे पशुपालकों का हित, हमारे मछुआरों का हित, हमारे नौजवानों के विषय में सोच के उनका हित, मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज को उनको सेफगार्ड करने का ध्यान में रख के एक ओवरऑल एक ऐसी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इन 11 वर्षों में रखा है, जो हमने 50-60 वर्षों में कभी नहीं देखा था। उसके कारण विश्व भर में भारत के प्रति एक नया ट्रस्ट है, भारत के प्रति एक नया कॉन्फिडेंस है और भारत को एक नई होप के साथ ये दुनिया में भारत को देखा जाता है। ये उसी का परिणाम स्वरूप है, जिस इस बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, बहुत ही वेल थॉट थ्रू फॉरेन पॉलिसी और उसका एग्जीक्यूशन, उसका रिजल्ट है कि आज सारी दुनिया का कॉन्फिडेंस है। और यूएस बहुत बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी है, भारत विश्व की मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है। इन दोनों डेमोक्रेसीज के बीच में अच्छा रिलेशन रहना स्वाभाविक ही है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Srinjoy Chaudhary, who is joining us live from the newsroom. Good afternoon, Srinjoy. First he said India, has been lost to the darkest, deepest China. Then when he was specifically asked, he said he doesn't think so. What will you attribute this damage control mode really that we are seeing as far as Donald Trump is concerned now?
The Americans also realize that when you speak about India joining darkest, deepest China, they are actually, it's a self-goal for them. Because they realize that when you say India and Russia have gone towards the darkest, deepest China, it basically means that all the efforts at Foggy Bottom at the State Department have failed and that this relationship has failed. Do they want to accept that they are failures as far as diplomacy is concerned? That's the first point. Secondly, they realize that when you say that and you actually threat people, then if it ever happens, if ever India actually moves towards darkest, deepest China, it will be a defeat for them diplomatically.
Well, there is some realization there coming in. Apologies, Srinjoy, I'm completely out of time, but thank you very much for your inputs on this story. Heading into a short break, we'll be back with more. Stay with us.